Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make smothered chicken wings. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need sliced bell peppers and onions. Okay, you're going to need black pepper, garlic powder, lemon pepper, paprika, parsley flakes, poultry seasoning. You're going to need cream of chicken, 1 can of cream of chicken. You're going to need red pepper flakes. You're going to need chicken or beef broth. You're going to need white rice, cornstarch, salt, hot sauce, and of course you're going to need the chicken wings. Okay? And if you guys look over here, you can, let me get a good picture, guys. See where I've seasoned them already with all of those seasonings, okay? And you can see where I put dashes of hot sauce on there. But before I did that, I washed the wings very well with lime and salt, rinsed them, and pulled any feathers off that were on there. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to need to do, guys, is, hold on, let me get a good picture, guys. First thing we're going to need to do is, you can see where I put 2 tablespoons of butter in with the bell peppers and onions. I'm going to go ahead and get that on the stove. Okay, I'm going to put it on a medium high, and what I'm going to do with that is get it sauteing up, okay? And once we get the onions and bell peppers sauteed up to where they're nice and golden brown, we'll turn the heat off of them, okay? And then we'll set them aside for later. But the first thing I'm getting ready to do right now is, let's go back to the wings. I'm going to go ahead and put these wings in the oven on 375. Okay? And what I've done was I need to put a tiny bit, just a little tiny bit of water in the bottom of this pan, okay? So they don't stick. Just about that much, not too much, okay? I'm going to get these in the oven, guys. And like I said, on 375, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, we're back. As the wings bake in the oven, you can see I have the green bell peppers and onions sauteing up, okay? And they've been sauteing maybe for a good 5 minutes, okay? But just keep an eye on them. And like I said, once those onions get like a golden brown, hey, you can turn them off and just set them aside, okay? All right. Oops. And then we'll bring these back into the equation once we get our gravy put on top of those wings, okay? All right, so just let them go. Keep an eye on them, okay? I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, we're back. I wanted to show you what the onions and bell peppers look like. And see how we got a little bit of golden brown color? We want to go ahead and take them out, okay? These are done. And like I said, we'll set these aside, okay? Because we're going to use them towards the end of the cooking, okay? So let's just put them over here on a plate, okay? We're done with those. And we'll continue to let these chicken wings cook. When the chicken wings are done, I'll come back, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. And this chicken has actually cooked for 1 hour, okay? Let me zoom in on it so you guys can see it really good and how crispy it is. See that? That's what it's supposed to look like, guys. Make sure you cook it until it has a crisp skin on it, okay? Just like that. Okay, so now we're going to come over here. All right, and I'm going to show you guys how to make the gravy. And use this recipe, guys. Hold on, let me zoom out just real quick. Use this same exact recipe for turkey wings, okay? This exact recipe goes for smothered turkey wings too, okay? Now we're going to go ahead and use our cream of chicken condensed soup, okay? We're going to use 1 can, okay? 1 full can. Get that in there. Okay? And we're going to use beef broth. Now, I like to use beef broth for this because it gives it a dark color, okay? Now, you're more than welcome to use a turkey gravy, a vegetable gravy, a chicken gravy. It's really broth. Vegetable broth, chicken broth, turkey broth, whatever you want to use, okay? I just like to use the beef because I like for mine to have a little darker color, okay? So we're going to mix that in with the cream of chicken soup, just like that, guys, okay? Now, I'm going to turn my burner on, guys, to a medium high, okay? Let's mix that up very well, just like this. This is one of my favorite pans, guys. I have had this pan for a long time, but I love it. I love this pan. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some cold water in the cornstarch, okay? And this cornstarch is going to thicken our gravy up. You just put a little bit of cold water in it, okay? Cold water and cornstarch makes a slurry. It's called a cornstarch slurry. And what will happen is you mix this up and you put it in whatever sauce you want to use. And once your sauce comes to a boil, your sauce will thicken up, okay? Alright. Just like that, guys. And you see, I just used a little tiny bit of water, okay? Go ahead and put that in there. Just like that. And that's going to be the gravy for our smothered chicken wings. And like I said, guys, use the same exact recipe for smothered turkey wings, okay? Alright, let's get this on the stove. Okay, I have that on a medium high so it can turn to a boil. Once it starts to boil, guys, I'll come back and you'll see it thicken up, and then we'll assemble everything, okay? Be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I wanted to show you all what the gravy's looking like, okay? And this is an awesome gravy, guys. You guys can use this gravy for anything. Look at that. See how thick it is? And what I did when I had the camera on pause, I went ahead and re-seasoned my gravy. So I put paprika in there. I put garlic powder, I put pepper, I put parsley flakes, and a little teeny bit of red pepper flakes, okay? Let me show you guys what this is looking like. See that? Just like that, guys. That's awesome. See what that cornstarch does? This is a beautiful gravy with a lot of flavor. See that, guys? Okay, perfect. Now, we are going to set that aside, and then let's come over here, guys. Let me get a good picture in on that. There we go. We're going to go ahead and put our bell peppers and onions in here. Okay? Just like that. Kind of nestle them down. Oops! Kind of nestle them down in there, okay? Just like that. You don't have to put it directly on the chicken. You can kind of nestle it in between, okay? Just like this, guys. And that's going to put off so much flavor. Okay? Just like that. Alright. Let me wipe my stove off real quick. There we go. And then now we're going to pour the gravy on. Okay? Pour this beautiful gravy. Actually, you know what I'm going to do, guys? This is what I would like to do. I'm going to take the chicken wings out. Okay? Take these wings out real quick, okay? Because I want to put the gravy at the bottom of my pan, okay? And then we'll put the chicken back in and we'll nestle it on top of the gravy, okay? Because what I don't want to do, I don't want to pour gravy all over the top of these. I want these to sit down in the gravy, okay? And I like the top of my chicken, like this part, to show through the gravy. I'll show you. Give me 1 second, guys. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Guys, I could eat that like that right now with just some rice on the side. I don't even need the gravy. Okay, hold on. Here we go. See this, guys? This is the juice that the chicken has left. Isn't that beautiful? It's just a little bit. Remember we put that little bit of water? So the rest is basically like chicken juice. That's a lot of flavor, guys. Okay. Let me zoom in on that. There we go. Okay. Now, let's put that beautiful gravy in. Just like this, guys. Just like that. Ooh, that gravy tastes so good, guys. Ooh, I cannot wait to dig my teeth down into this. I think I'm going to get a little bit more gravy. That should be enough. Okay, now we want to nestle these right back that way. See that? And if, see, I like for my chicken to show through the gravy just like that. And if someone wants more gravy, they can put more gravy on themselves, okay? Is that beautiful, guys? That right there is smothered chicken wings 101. And like I said, guys, use the exact same recipe for your turkey wings. And your family will love you for it. This right here, you will definitely see your family licking those fingers, guys. I'm going to put this in the oven. Okay, we'll let it go for about maybe 15 to 20 minutes. And then I'll come back. Okay, guys. The wings have came out. Here's what they look like. And I only had to cook the gravy, guys, for, I just cooked the gravy for 15 minutes, okay? Look at that. Let me get a good picture in there for you guys. See that? Isn't that beautiful? Okay, and see how the gravy turned dark? And I just made some cheddar bay biscuits on the side. Okay, with the butter garlic sauce on top. And I will do a video for those, okay? In the near future. Okay, let's go ahead and plate this up, guys. Show you what it looks like. All right, let's get a good picture right there. Okay, guys, let's go in. Hold on, let me zoom in, okay? All right. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is a meal fit for a queen, a meal fit for a king. Feed this to your family, guys. Your family will absolutely love you for this. Okay, hold on. Let me put the plate down for a second. Ooh, that's hot. Let me get another spoon, okay? Hold on, I want to wipe my plate off so my plate's nice and pretty. Okay? All right. Here we go, guys. Hold on. Let me zoom in one more time. Good picture on it. Okay? We're almost there. Let's get the gravy on it. Almost there, guys. Oh! Would you look at this? Look how beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful. Try this recipe, guys. Make it for your families. Make it for the holidays. Let's go in and try this. is going to be extremely hot, guys. First, let's taste this gravy with the rice real quick. Isn't that gravy a beautiful color? Look at that, guys. Isn't that pretty? Let's see. Whoa. 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 Okay. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me go in and get this chicken. All right, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Can you see that? That has got to be the best chicken ever, guys. And as always, guys, thank you for watching. God bless and have a great night.